Everyone keeps asking between AI, between crypto, between coding, which is a better option to get started with in 2026. And as you all know, 2026 is already half spent, and the other half of 2026, which is ongoing, seem to be a very crucial point in so many people's life. And there pose the big question: do I venture into crypto, AI, or coding? Now, the answer solely depends on what you're trying to achieve. Because when it comes to crypto, if your sole aim or your sole purpose of venturing into crypto is only trading, then just know that you are left with two options. You either make a lot of money or you lose a lot of money. And this game is a very risky game. It is not a game of luck or chance. It is a risky game. High risk, high reward. But yet again, there are other aspects of cryptocurrency that if you venture into, you can make a whole lot of money and also be successful in 2026. Such things as blockchain infrastructure, writing smart contracts, and also building an influence around the cryptocurrency space, which is Web3. That aside. Now, when it comes to AI seems to be one of the safest bets in 2026 because you can venture into so many things and you can use AI as a tool to facilitate your work. You can offer digital solutions with just AI, such things as support system for your business, chatbots. You can create chatbots using AI. You can build websites, full stack websites now just using AI. You can start a YouTube channel just using AI, which is what you may know as AI automation. Do you understand? So AI is more like a safe bet among these three. Not just these three, among everything in general. AI seems like the safest bet, but not completely the only option that is safe. Now, AI can also be used negatively and positively. And even though you're using it positively, you may not really benefit or gain so much from AI in 2026, which is why you must be highly skilled to effectively and efficiently gain so much from AI in 2026. Now to the other one, which is coding. You see, coding is the foundation of these other two options. Coding is the foundation of AI. Coding is the foundation of cryptocurrency, because blockchain was built through coding. The system around blockchain was still built through coding. AI was built through coding. So if you're learning coding in 2026, you are not late. Instead, you should have it at the back of your mind that you are venturing into the foundation of everything digital. The apps you see today, it was through coding. You understand? And there are several programming languages you can learn as a coder. And also it's also determined by what you are venturing into. If you're venturing into blockchain, let's assume you want to start writing smart contracts. You are going to learn Solidity and JavaScript. Very importantly. If you're venturing into other aspects, maybe you want to write an RPC, remote, stuff, you need to understand Python very well. If you want to start hacking, like ethical hacking, you need to understand Python. So there are different aspects. Coding is like the foundation of everything digital. So learning coding in 2026, you are not late. And I feel like it is good to learn coding in 2026. The only disadvantage of learning coding in 2026 is that the learning process, it's going to be very, very tedious, and it's going to take a lot of time. Except you are very good with AI, then you can apply AI into your learning process and make everything easy and safe and fast for you. So AI, coding, and cryptocurrency all depends on the individual. It depends on who is handling or who is deciding on which aspect to venture into. If you venture into AI, you might feel like you're venturing into a safe bet, but no, it is still determined by how well, how skilled, how creative, how innovative you are. That is the only way you can excel using AI. The same thing goes for coding. It depends on your patience level. Can you take time to learn how to code very well? When you learn how to code very well, then you can now venture into other aspects of life, such as Web3, Web2, and the rest of them. So coding is good in 2026. Do not let anybody deceive you. Now, for cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is a big game. It's a big game. Do not let anybody make you feel like you've entering into crypto space, you are late on. No, you are not late. Especially when you move into the development aspect of things, you are not late. There is so much to make. There is so much to earn from crypto. So let me know if you want to learn any aspect of coding, you want to learn any aspect of AI. I will bring you real digital solutions. Blockchain related, I will bring you real digital solutions. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you subscribe, you like, and share your thoughts in the comments.